10 reasons why my online coaching program is gonna be able to help you out this holiday season. Number one, I'm gonna help you learn how to eat and exercise for your unique body type. There's a lot of programs out there, but not are gonna be customized to your body type. Number two, I'm gonna give you access to my mobile app, which can have you message me, text me, ask me questions, take videos of your food, your dinner, your breakfast, and I can help you out throughout the week just like that. I'm gonna be giving you a macronutrients cooking and a 95 recipe booklet to help you out understand nutrition for your body type. I'm gonna program for you 3 strength training workouts in your app. I'll also provide you some off-day cardio and conditioning programs that you can follow with videos and over 300 demonstration exercises. I'm gonna provide you with a daily habit that you can check in on your phone to keep track of where you are to make sure you're following your daily habits in your program. I'm also gonna provide you check-ins each week. So if you're stuck and you need assistance, I can follow up with you to help you break where you are or get you unstuck. I have proven strategies that I've been using for over 27 years, both in my professional fitness career as a coach and in the 16 years that I've been running Pure Motivation Fitness. If you're stuck, you're unsure, or you're at a position where you want to get better, message me right now, Black Friday. I'm looking forward to helping you out. I'm looking forward to giving you a bunch of extra freebies to assist you, and I want to get you ready before New Year's Eve. Take care, have an amazing day.